Be able to decide if their child wears a mask to school or not, all thanks to Governor Youngkin's executive order. But it may not be that simple. Many school districts are still mandating masks, while others are still trying to figure out what they'll do. On your side at 6, DESIREE Montilla is live with what schools are deciding and what legal experts are now saying. DESIREE?
Well, Makia, tonight here in Chesterfield, school leaders are still weighing their options and actually plan to discuss this during a special meeting tomorrow afternoon, as well as to hear from parents. But other school systems like Richmond have already decided to go against the governor's order. It's a brewing debate with opinions on both sides and at least one lawsuit already filed. On the heels of Governor Youngkin's executive order number 2, stating a child whose parent chooses not to have them mask up cannot be forced to wear one by a school district, debate continues into whether masking in schools should be mandatory or a choice. Henrico father Scott Edwards believes parents should have the power to decide.
If I feel like there's a risk at home, then I'm going to have my children wear a mask. If I don't see a risk, I think that the number one priority should be them learning, and it's hard to sit there and learn when you got that distraction of a mask being on.
Richmond mother Jenny Agamo disagrees.
It doesn't have to just do with your own child. It has to do with my child. It has to do with, the staff and the teachers.
There are still school districts evaluating this order, like Hopewell Schools. They're reviewing the legal requirements of masking in schools and waiting for more information. On Thursday, the Chesterfield School Board is expected to take action, but in Chesapeake, 13 parents sued Governor Youngkin over his executive order.
I think the lawsuit has a substantial chance of succeeding.
Jack Price, a professor of law at the University of Richmond, believes this lawsuit could hold ground, citing arguments that a state law passed last year requires schools to follow CDC guidance, which recommends that students mask up.
Once you have a statute that speaks to a particular matter, the governor can't undercut that statute through an executive order. If the governor wants to fix this or change this state of affairs, he needs to work with the legislature and get a new statute enacted. I'd likely think in the next couple of weeks we'll see some litigation in the Supreme Court based on this, and perhaps a result within the next month.
In regards to the Chesapeake lawsuit, a spokesperson for Attorney General Jason Miara's office sent us the following statement saying, quote, "The Attorney General's office is prepared to defend the rights of parents." And the Chesterfield County School Board will meet inside a public meeting room on Iron Bridge Road tomorrow afternoon at 1:30 to continue this discussion. For now, we're live and on your side in Chesterfield County tonight. DESIREE Montilla, NBC 12 News.
All right, thank you.